Embracing natural radiance, a gentle approach to skin brightening. Dealing with melasma and dark spots can be, well, frustrating. Many people yearn for an even skin tone. Natural remedies offer a gentle and effective way to achieve this. Today we'll explore a DIY skin brightening mask. This mask utilizes the power of chickpea flour, egg white, and lemon juice. Melasma and dark spots are caused by excessive melanin production, which is the pigment that gives our skin its color. Factors like sun exposure, hormonal changes, and certain medications can trigger this overproduction. While there are countless skincare products on the market claiming to fade these imperfections, many contain harsh chemicals that may cause irritation or dryness. Natural ingredients, however, offer a gentler alternative. They can effectively brighten the skin and promote a more even complexion. We will delve into a simple yet powerful DIY mask that harnesses the potent properties of chickpea flour, egg white, and lemon juice to reveal brighter, more radiant skin. This mask is easy to make with ingredients found in most kitchens. Let's explore the benefits of each ingredient and how they work together to create a natural solution for a brighter complexion. Unveiling the magic trio: chickpea flour, egg white, and lemon juice. Chickpea flour, also known as gram flour, has been used for centuries in skincare. It is a natural exfoliant, which means it removes dead skin cells, revealing brighter skin underneath. Chickpea flour is also rich in antioxidants, which protect the skin from environmental damage. Egg white is another ingredient with a long history of use in skincare. It helps to tighten pores and reduce the appearance of fine lines. Egg white is also rich in protein, nourishing the skin, leaving it feeling soft and smooth. Lemon juice, a natural bleaching agent, helps to fade dark spots and hyperpigmentation. It is also rich in vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps to protect the skin from sun damage. When combined, these three ingredients create a powerful mask that can help to brighten the skin, even out skin tone, and reduce the appearance of dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Let's move on to the step-by-step guide to creating this mask. Crafting your DIY brightening mask, a step-by-step guide. This mask is simple to make and only requires 3 ingredients. You will need 2 tablespoons of chickpea flour, 1 egg white, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Instructions: 1. In a small bowl, whisk together the chickpea flour, egg white, and lemon juice until you achieve a smooth paste. 2. Apply the mask evenly to your face and neck, avoiding the delicate skin around your eyes. 3. Leave the mask on for 15 to 20 minutes, or until it is dry. 4. Rinse the mask off with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry with a soft towel. For best results, use this mask 2 to 3 times a week. You can store any leftover mask in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. In the next section, we'll explore tips for applying the mask and maximizing its benefits. Section 4. Applying your mask for optimal results. Tips and tricks. Before applying the mask, ensure your face is clean and dry. This allows the mask to penetrate the skin better. Using a facial brush or your fingertips, apply the mask evenly, avoiding the eye area. While applying, use gentle, circular motions to promote blood circulation. As the mask dries, you might feel a slight tightening sensation. This is normal and indicates that the mask is working. However, if you experience any burning or irritation, rinse off immediately. Once the mask is dry, rinse it off with lukewarm water. After rinsing, pat your skin dry with a soft towel. Avoid rubbing, as this can irritate the skin. Follow up with your favorite moisturizer to hydrate your skin and lock in the benefits of the mask. In the following section, we will cover some important safety precautions. Section 5. Safety first. Precautions and considerations. While this DIY mask uses natural ingredients, it's crucial to prioritize safety. Before applying the mask to your entire face, perform a patch test on a small area of your skin. This helps determine if you have any sensitivities or allergies to the ingredients. To conduct a patch test, apply a small amount of the mask to the inside of your wrist or behind your ear. Leave it on for 24 hours and observe for any reactions like redness, itching, or irritation. If you experience any adverse reactions, discontinue use immediately. Lemon juice can make your skin photosensitive, meaning it becomes more sensitive to the sun. Therefore, it's best to apply this mask in the evening. Always wear sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher during the day, especially after using this mask. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to seeing results with natural remedy masks. Use the mask regularly and be patient. Embrace these natural ingredients and enjoy the journey to brighter, healthier looking skin.